The coast provides food, shelter, and nesting grounds for many different birds. One of the most numerous birds seen on clifftop nesting sites is the guillemot. They spend most of their time at sea, only coming to land to breed. Razorbills also have a mix of dark and white plumage, but their bills are completely different. They are the closest living relative to the extinct giant auk, which was nearly 3 feet tall. Puffins are summer visitors to Britain and will be here until around mid-August, although they're often tricky to see among thousands of other cliff nesters. One of the features to look for is their bright orange legs, which guillemots and razorbills don't have. Puffins also nest in grassy burrows, rather than balancing on rock ledges. Kittiwakes are dainty gulls with black legs and a lemon-yellow bill. They're found exclusively on the coast and spend winter offshore. Their name is inspired by the call they make, which really does sound like kittiwake. Fulmars look like gulls, but they're more closely related to albatrosses. They have a tube nose containing salt excretion glands, which enables them to drink seawater. Gannets are the largest seabird in the UK and can often be seen diving for fish like torpedoes. Bass Rock off Scotland's east coast has the largest gannet colony in the world. Unfortunately, there are now cases of avian flu there, which is putting added pressure on many seabird populations already threatened by habitat loss, overfishing, and climate change. Birdwatchers can help by reporting unusual cases of dead seabirds to DEFRA. As always, be conscious of any ground nesting birds and keep dogs under close control. If you have a little more time, litter picks are invaluable in making coastal habitats cleaner for both people and wildlife.